Welcome back, guys, to another Durst product overview. Today we're giving you a demonstration on the DSW123 Smart Washer. It's a bioremediating system of microbes and mixture to release the grease, oil and carbon of anything. It's non-toxic. It's absolutely incredible design. And Durst is the leading manufacturer of the automotive and mining industries, diagnostic equipment and charging, as well as these smart washers, which are revolutionizing the way we degrease and clean things. So sit back and enjoy. I'll give you a demonstration on the bike rack, how it works, as well as this electric bike down here. If you've got an electric bike, this is a wonderful concept without getting any water spray over electronics and the batteries. So this is also a brilliant concept for the new electric bikes coming in now all the time. Sit back, we'll go through and clean this chain and see how it comes up, and we'll show you the before and after. Okay, so straight away we'll use the standard brush with the bristles on here to get into the chain, and we're going to use a bit of this mixture here. You turn it on. I like it flowing about that. I use the nozzle one on here, which gets right in. Let's go in and have a look. First of all, we'll saturate it all, and we'll go through and we'll just give it a really good clean. So you can get into the spot of it without having to get, just keep the brush moist on that and just spin the wheel the whole way through all this cog and grease. And you can see that bike rack is holding it really well. So we can turn that off for now. And just use the trigger on this one. Yeah, it's a really amazing system, and it just works beautifully. You see it just runs down into the bucket here. There's no problem at all. I'm really seeing the shine come up on these cogs. They're like new. The Shimano gears are coming up a treat. You can get into this part here. Now let's go through the chain itself. Again, you don't have to keep squirting the water. You can just use it when you need it. But I can see that's coming off straight away. If you look at the grease here on my finger, and then once you get the chain completely done, it's completely clean in literally 10 seconds. Look at that. Unbelievable. Just turn that around a bit more. There we go. Yeah, beautiful job. It just lifts it completely off. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. This brush gets into every single link beautifully, all inside here. Let's get into the gearing here, and then all the cog. Now, of course, this bike isn't too bad, but obviously I've seen bikes that are caked with grease, and this is going to be such a time-saving way of cleaning your bikes. You can see how the button just keeps squirting out all the mixture, recycled through the bottom, under here, with the gearing and everything. You do it on the spot, on the job. The overspray is minimal, and it just drips right down the bottom, as you can see down here, right into the cogs, and just of course into the gearing here, right into every part. Look how good it comes up. Incredible. And the chain. Yeah, just beautiful. Well, guys, there you go. You can see the difference in so quick time, 20 seconds to do that chain. This is an amazing concept. You have to take everything apart on the bike. You sit it on the rack, and it just easy to clean so simply. If you're interested in getting this is obviously the Smart Washer DSW123 with the bike adaptation kit, the bike hand. It's on page 26 of the catalogue, link below. If you are interested in the bike rack, talk to Durst. They are selling that as well as a kit for the bike shops for doing this. It'll hold a heavy bike, including my electric bike down here, which again is a wonderful concept to clean these without doing water or damaging them by having them up high, working height. There's also, as you can see here, a hands-in, simple cleaning system as well, which we'll talk about later, from the same concept of the microbes, and using the bioremediation system with the OzJuice as well. That chemical reaction is just another level, turning it grease and oil into water and carbon dioxide to dispose of just down the drain. This is an amazing concept. So I hope you enjoyed today's demonstration on the bike rack adaptation kit for the Smart Washer DSW123 from Durst. Look forward to talking to you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. We'll see you then.